You're about to see how this space transforms into something brighter, more organized, and easier to live in. So every detail matters, from the TV wall and dining feature wall to the warm wood finishes and kitchen peninsula, because good planning makes the whole home feel connected and easier to use every day. In this transformation, you'll see this home redesigned step by step into a modern Japandi style, using lighting, built-ins, warm finishes, and smart layouts to connect every area. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Every decision in your living area matters, from your seating layout to your lighting and storage, because good planning makes the space feel brighter and more connected every day. Start with the ceiling. You can create a recessed ceiling with hidden cove lighting and evenly spaced recessed pin lights, so the lighting feels softer and more balanced at night. Keep the ceiling simple, so the warm, indirect lighting stands out without making the space feel heavy. Now, move to the wall behind the sofa. You can combine fluted wood panels, fabric texture wall panels with gold stainless trim, and warm LED strip lighting on one side, so the wall gains more depth and detail. Then, place a centered abstract artwork, so the wall becomes the main focal point without looking too busy. Now, define the seating area. You can use a large L-shaped sectional sofa in warm beige textured fabric, so the room feels softer, more comfortable, and creates a better lounging area for everyday use. At the center, place an organic-shaped wooden coffee table, so movement around the area feels easier while adding a softer look to the space. Style it with a ribbed ceramic vase and greenery so the setup feels fresh and lived in. Now, soften the window area. You can install full-height layered curtains, so you can control natural light while keeping the space bright, light, and visually taller. Then, place a tall indoor plant beside the curtains, so the corner feels lighter and more balanced. Now, move to the TV wall. You can create a full built-in entertainment wall by starting with a recessed TV panel, so the TV feels integrated into the overall composition. Below it, install a long wooden console cabinet, so the lower storage feels lighter and less bulky. Then, add a tall, smoked glass display cabinet to display decorative pieces without making the wall feel heavy, followed by matte overhead cabinets for extra storage so everyday items stay tucked away. Finish it with vertical fluted wood panels to add texture and tie the entire feature wall together. To complete the overall setup, add warm LED strip lighting on the display cabinet so the shelves glow softly at night and the display decor stands out more. Because the finishes connect visually, the TV wall feels cleaner, more seamless, and more customized. So instead of feeling narrow and flat, your living area now feels brighter, softer, and more layered while still staying practical and easy to move around, with an estimated total cost of around $1,950 to $2,650. Every decision inside your dining area matters, from the layout, storage, to the lighting, because good planning makes the space feel warmer, brighter, and more connected every day. Before moving to the dining table, create a built-in display cabinet feature wall using lightweight framing and combine recessed display niches, centered artwork, and warm wood lower cabinets. Style the niches with ceramic vases, books, and small decor pieces so the setup stays simple but styled. Then install recessed pin lights so the wall glows softly at night. So both spaces feel more seamless while making the wall feel more decorative and customized. Now move to the dining setup. Use a large oval dining table with a marble look tabletop so the space feels more elegant. Then pair it with 6 upholstered dining chairs with curved backrests so the setup feels softer and lighter. At the center of the table, place a clear glass vase with fresh white flowers so the setup feels fresh and natural. Install 2 pleated pendant lights with warm lighting so the dining area feels softer at night. Behind the dining setup, integrate a full-height mirror wall with slim metal divisions so the area feels larger and more open. Then add warm concealed LED strip lighting along the ceiling edge so the mirror wall glows softly at night. Now improve the built-in storage wall. Create a full-height built-in cabinet using smooth matte beige cabinetry with handleless doors so the storage looks seamless and minimal. Create a compact bench nook with vertical fluted wood panels, integrated hooks, and a cushioned bench seat, so the area also works as a mini drop zone. Then add a recessed shoe storage area below the bench so everyday footwear stays organized and easier to access. Beside the bench, add recessed open shelves with books so the wall feels lighter and more layered. Then add warm LED strip lighting above the fluted panels, inside the shelves, and below the shoe storage so the cabinetry glows softly at night. Then, on the empty wall, hang a simple framed artwork so the wall feels more intentional. Near the corner by the door, place a tall indoor plant and another framed artwork with a slim picture light above so the area feels fresher and more balanced. Because the materials and lighting connect visually, the dining area feels warmer, brighter, and more customized. So instead of feeling narrow and disconnected, your dining area now feels more open and visually connected. With an estimated total cost of around $2,250 to $2,950. For your kitchen layout, you can use an L-shaped kitchen with a peninsula counter so the space feels more efficient and easier to use. Start by combining warm wood lower cabinets with smooth matte upper cabinets so the kitchen feels cleaner and more modern. Keep the upper cabinets handleless and minimal so the setup stays uncluttered. Use a white countertop and a marble look backsplash panels so the kitchen feels brighter and more seamless. Below the upper cabinets, add warm LED strip lighting so the countertop area stays brighter and easier to use at night. Now, focus on the cooking area. You can install a freestanding range with oven together with a slim stainless range hood so the setup feels cleaner and more integrated. On the countertop beside the range, you can add a simple decors and simple kitchen accessories so the space feels more natural. Using the same finishes from the main cooking zone helps the sink area stay visually connected while remaining a separate zone. Then install an undermount double sink with a simple chrome faucet so the area feels cleaner and easier to maintain. Place the refrigerator near the end of the counter so it stays accessible without interrupting the workflow. Then add warm LED strip lighting along the ceiling edge and below the upper cabinets so the kitchen feels brighter and softer at night. Now move to the peninsula counter. Add vertical fluted details and warm LED strip lighting so the peninsula feels more decorative and visually lighter at night. Then, pair it with 3 boucle counter stools with black metal legs so the setup feels lighter and more modern. At the countertop, style fresh fruits and simple decors so the area feels fresher and more welcoming. Above the peninsula, install 3 modern pendant lights with warm lighting and wood accents so the kitchen feels warmer and more visually anchored. Because the materials and lighting connect visually, the kitchen feels cleaner, brighter, and more customized. So instead of feeling flat and purely functional, your kitchen now feels more refined and visually connected with the rest of the home. With an estimated total cost of around $1,500 to $2,300. So, when your layout, lighting, and materials visually connect together, your home instantly feels brighter, cleaner, and easier to live in. Because good interior design is not about adding more things randomly, it's about choosing the right layout, materials, and focal points so every area works better every day. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.